In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default font in Microsoft Word, ensuring that every new document opens with your preferred font and size. This is a straightforward process that can save you time and make your documents look consistent and exactly how you want them right from the start. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Word and start with a new blank document. This ensures that any changes you make won't affect an existing document, but will apply to all new documents going forward. Once you have your blank document in front of you, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of the Word window and locate the Home tab. This tab is usually the default tab when you open Word, but it's always good to double-check. Now, within the Home tab, you'll see a group labeled Font. In the bottom right corner of this font group, there's a small arrow, which is actually a dialog box launcher. This small arrow is quite powerful and gives you more detailed control over your font settings. You can also open this font dialog box by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+D, whatever you find more convenient. Clicking this arrow or using the shortcut will open the font dialog box, where you'll be able to make your customized font settings. In the font dialog, things start to get exciting because here you have the opportunity to select your preferred font, or typeface. If you have a go-to font that you use frequently, now is the time to choose it. Next, you can set the font style. This could be regular, bold, italic, or any combination that suits your preference. After that, pick the font size that fits your needs. It's also worth mentioning that if you like to live a little outside the lines, you can adjust other attributes such as font color or effects, though these are completely optional. Once you're satisfied with your selections, you'll notice a button at the bottom of the dialog labeled Set as Default. Clicking this button is crucial because it determines whether your new font settings will stick. When you click it, a prompt will appear asking if you want to apply the changes to this document only, or to all documents based on the normal template. If your goal is consistency across future documents, you'll want to choose all documents based on the normal template. This will ensure that every new document defaults to your chosen font settings. After making your selection, click OK twice to finalize and close the dialog. That's it. As an optional but helpful step, you might want to close Word entirely and then reopen it, just to test the changes. Open a new document and start typing. You should see your freshly set default font in action immediately. And there you have it. Now you can enjoy your custom font settings in every new Word document you create.